came out to the property. This is from the Sandy Creek flood. It's just devastating and amazing at the same time. The force of that water. It's just, there's the neighbor's house. There's the creek that way. There's the roof of Grandma and Grandpa Surratt's house. This way. Power pole is laying on the ground over there. There's the low water crossing. They have barricades up where you can't cross it with a vehicle. Wanted to just walk over and see what it's the back end of Barbara's house. I don't even think that's their camper. This is the back of Barbara's house. Should be right over there. Devastating. I know 2 children were found downstream. Fence we went through several times. There's Barbara's car. Probably parked in her driveway over there. Oh my gosh. All these trees. Water definitely came through here. There's the other power pole. There's no electricity here. It's the road up to my place. Wow, the water came all the way up there. All that debris. Those are the back steps that go to that house. Looks like the water was all the way up to here. Came down through this way. You can see on the fence line how far it went up. Somebody's post. Mm. Looks like Carl's stuff is okay. Looks like the house is gone.